ChatGPT is progressing rapidly with new plugins that make everyday tasks easier and faster. In today's video, we'll focus on some important plugins for searching, voice interaction, social media management, and mail composition. ChatGPT for Google. Elevating your search game with AI. It empowers your learning, creativity, and productivity. Web ChatGPT. A no-cost Chrome extension. It enriches your ChatGPT experience by providing web search, text extraction, and custom prompts features. ChatGPT for Chrome. A potent, free extension that expands your ChatGPT capabilities, enabling everything from web searches to polished copywriting. Merlin. Your one-click gateway to ChatGPT and other AI tools through a Chrome extension, streamlining your path to productivity and sparking creativity. Prometheus. Prometheus is a voice-controlled Chrome extension for ChatGPT that makes it easier and faster to have conversations with the language model. With Prometheus, you can simply speak your query or request, and Prometheus will transcribe it into text and send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then generate a response, which Prometheus will read back to you aloud. Talk to ChatGPT. Seamlessly control ChatGPT with your voice using this accessible and hands-free Chrome extension, particularly beneficial for those with disabilities. Tweet GPT. A Chrome extension that effortlessly transforms ChatGPT prompts into tweet-worthy gems, making it a breeze to share your creative ideas with the world. Engage AI Prompt Genius. Elevate your LinkedIn engagement with ChatGPT-generated comments, fostering valuable connections and building relationships with prospects. ChatSonic. Supercharge ChatGPT with integrated Google search, AI image creation, and more, elevating productivity and sparking creativity seamlessly. YouTube and Article Summary. Your time-saving ally. Summarize YouTube videos and articles using ChatGPT's powers, streamlining your research efforts. YouTube Digest. Harness the summary prowess of ChatGPT to distill YouTube videos in various formats, exporting them as PDF or plain text files for quick and easy consumption of the core insights. ChatGPT Prompt Genius. Unlock a treasure trove of premium prompts via this Chrome extension, ensuring you maximize your ChatGPT experience. Superpower ChatGPT. Elevate your ChatGPT efficiency with a suite of features, including chat management, automatic synchronization, folder and prompt organization, language and tone selection, and more. Copy for ChatGPT. Simplify your workflow by swiftly copying ChatGPT responses with a single click, complete with the option to verify for plagiarism, thus saving you valuable time and energy. Share GPT. Instantaneously share your ChatGPT interactions with a single click, generating a permanent link for effortless sharing and collaboration. Team Smart AI. Empower your productivity with a dedicated team of AI assistants, including ChatGPT, readily available for an array of tasks, from brainstorming to code review, streamlining your efficiency and performance. Reader GPT. Elevate your reading experience as ChatGPT summarizes and crafts Q&A content from extensive texts, saving them to a knowledge repository for future reference, enhancing your learning and retention process. WisOne. A Chrome extension that simplifies intricate ChatGPT responses and offers valuable context, ensuring you easily comprehend complex text. OpenAI GPT-3 for Gmail. Harness the power of ChatGPT to supercharge your email game. It assists in crafting emails swiftly and with finesse, offering content generation, language translation, and valuable feedback to enhance your email productivity and effectiveness. ChatGPT Writer. A handy Chrome extension that enables you to effortlessly compose emails, messages, and various forms of content using ChatGPT, streamlining your copywriting process for speed and ease. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more informative videos.